In this video, you will learn how to turn on Outlook Read Recipients. Open Outlook and go to the File and Options. This opens settings where you can customize your email preferences. Click on the Mail or tab in the left menu. The Mail tab contains options related to composing or tracking emails. Scroll down to the Tracking section. This section controls delivery and read recipient only. Check the box for Read Recipient, confirming the recipient viewed your message. Enable this will request a read recipient for your email you send. Click OK to save your changes. This applies to your new settings and receipts and will be requested automatically. For a single email, open a new message and go to the Options tab, then select to request a read recipient. This will read a receipt just for your specific email. Now you know how to turn on Outlook Read Recipient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.